Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the potentiometer range. Okay, this is the tutorial number 4 and I already covered the tutorial 1, 2 and 3. Okay guys, now let's concentrate about the tutorial number 4 potentiometer range. First, now let's concentrate about the circuit diagram. Okay guys, first you need Arduino Uno and second one is potentiometer. You see the range is B10K. Okay, in they have 3 terminals. Okay, you see first, center and last. Okay, first terminal you need to connect with the 5 volt, and you see I already connected the 5 volt of Arduino Uno. You see this one pin is connected to the first terminal. Okay, and the center pin is signal pin, and this is one is signal pin, and you need to connect to the analog, that is I am connected to the A node, and you see this is the connect to the A node pin. Okay, A node. Now the last one is your ground pin. This one is the last pin, and ground pin you need to connect ground, like you see I'm connected side by 13. Okay, this is the ground pin. Okay, this is the connections and this is the equipments. Okay guys, now let's come on the programming. Okay, now open your Arduino Uno. Okay, now let's start. Okay, now create a variable int. I'm enter here port pin. Okay, port pin number, like this. I'm connected to the pin number A node. Okay, this is the analog pin A node, and let's start the void setup. Void setup. For first time declare, you need to declare once. I'm enter here pin mod, and you need to enter this variable. Okay, port pin. I'm enter here port pin. Okay, and comma, this is our input, that's why I'm enter here input. Okay, now let's come on the void loop. Okay, and the v is small. Yes, void loop. Now what you do, let's create a one variable that is int port data. Okay, like this. Now I'm enter here port data equal to analog. Why analog? Because our potentiometer is analog range 0 to 10255. Okay, this is the range of a potentiometer, that's why I'm choose this pin A node, and I'm declare here analog read, like this. Okay, and you need to enter the pin number that is port pin, enter here like this. Okay, now we need to read the data about the potentiometer. Now what you do, we need to declare the serial monitor. Okay, that's why I'm enter here serial dot begin, like this. Okay, the baud rate is 9600. This is the Arduino baud rate. Okay, now we can create here serial dot print. We need to print the data. Okay, print ln means, you see print means this is the print your data as per your comment. Ln is means new line. Okay, now enter here, and which data you want to show, that's why I'm enter here this potentiometer data save in port data, that's why I'm enter here port data. Okay, this one. Now I'm created delay. Right now I'm create like 100 or yes, 100 is sufficient, otherwise I'm create here 200. Okay, now what you do, let's first verify. Yes, now click to upload. Okay, done uploading. Now what you do, go to tools. Okay, now I have two functions. First I'm show this one, serial monitor. When I open this one, and right now you see the value is 57. Okay, now you see the right now value is 57, and let's change the value, and you see 543 like this. Okay, 0. Let's increase 87 115, like you see it's increase. Okay, let's take the maximum, that this is the maximum range 1023. Okay, now let's again decrease, and you see okay, fine. Now let's come on the next one, that is go to tools, and this one is your serial plotter. This is amazing. Okay, let's show you. Wait, please. Yes. Now what you do? Let's increase the value of potentiometer, and you see in the graph. You see, it's amazing. Like this is our maximum. Like I'm take the maximum. This is our maximum value. Okay. Now let's decrease, and you see increase, decrease, like as like a zigzag. Like you see. Okay. Help of this you can easy to understand what's going on. Okay, that's why it's amazing part. You see. Okay, now let's take let's modify the program, and increase let's enter here 50, or I'm enter here 100. Okay, now click to upload. Okay, and takes RS blink, it means program uploaded. Okay, now go to tools and search serial plotter, and right now you see the output when increase, and you see. Okay, it's a little fast, you see. Okay, and what you do, let's remove the delay part. Okay, let's comment this one, and again upload, and you see right now it's very fast for real-time data. Okay, okay, sorry. Go to tools and open the serial plotter, this one. Okay, now you see it's very fast and it's amazing look like, you see. Okay, now you see it's amazing. Okay, you can do anything like this. Help of this you can easy to understand what's going on. Okay, this is like your graph. Okay guys, and thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.